Hello and welcome to the OCR Further Maths videos for Pure Core. This is Calculus 5, Volumes of Revolution and Mean of a Function. And this is 5.5, Mean of a Function. So when we have a look at the curve here and we are showing the area underneath the curve between A and B. If we draw this rectangle here, it's been drawn so that the area of the rectangle is equal to the area under the curve above. The reason for this is it means then that the height of this rectangle here is the mean value of the function on the interval AB. Remember that this is square brackets showing an interval, i.e. that there's a range of x values. So the height here of the rectangle is the mean value of this function y equals f of x on that interval. So if we have a look, we can see how to calculate that. So we know that the area under the curve is the integral between a and b of the function of x with respect to x. And we know that the area of this rectangle here, this part, the height is ym, and this part here, the width is going to be b minus a. So the area of the rectangle is b minus a times ym. These two things are set to be equal. So we have that the integral between a and b of f of x with respect to x is equal to the area of the rectangle. And that means that if we want to find ym, the mean value, is going to be 1 over b minus a multiplied by the integral between a and b of f of x with respect to x. So this is how you find the mean value of a function in a particular interval. Right, so we're going to use this formula now in order to find the mean value of this function. So ym is 1 over b minus a, so 1 over 4 minus 0, times the integral between 0 and 4. F of x, our function, is x times 4 minus x with respect to x. So ym is a quarter of the integral between 0 and 4 of 4x minus x squared dx. If we do this integration, we get 2x squared minus x cubed over 3 between 0 and 4. Again, if you do your substitutions, you end up with the mean value of that function being 8 over 3. So what this means is that for this curve here, between 0 and 4, the mean value is 8 over 3, so around here. And that's the last in the videos for Calculus 5, Volumes of Revolution and Mean of a Function.